Now let us see the revenue when price remains constant. Okay, that graph, and with the help of this table it will be more easy to understand. Okay, so in this you can see units sold is given 1 to 4. Okay, then price it is given. Okay, price what it is given, 10 10 10 10 10. That means this is when the price remains constant, that is price जो है वो हमेशा constant ही रहेगा. Okay, now total revenue, how to calculate the total revenue. So as I said you earlier also, that total revenue, to find out the total revenue, what you will be doing, you will be multiplying quantity into price, that is units sold, units of output into price. Okay, so here you can say 0 into 10, it is 0, then 1 into 10, 10. So in this way you will find out the total revenue. Okay, this is how the total revenue, and if you see the graph of total revenue, it will look somewhat like this. Okay, that is TR is increasing when the price remains constant. You can see here price is constant only, but total revenue, that is TR, is increasing. Yes, with all 1 unit increase, then here also total revenue increase. Here again the next unit is increasing, then again it becomes 20, then in third unit it becomes 30, in fourth unit it becomes 40. So you can see, but price is constant only. Okay, so here it is said that TR is increasing, that is total revenue is increasing when the price remains constant. Okay, so the curve will be straight, as you can see here. I hope it is clear. Now we can see how to calculate average revenue under perfect competition, that is when the price remains same. So here you can see total revenue 10 20 30 40. Now average revenue, how to find out, you can see that is total revenue divided by quantity, isn't it? So when you will divide total revenue divided by quantity, you can see the average revenue you got in all the units, it is 10 only. So here what it is showing in average revenue under perfect competition, that is price is equal to average revenue. So the graph of average revenue, it will look somewhat like this, that is horizontally straight line average revenue, that is it is parallel to y-axis. Okay, so this is how average revenue is drawn in the graph. Now we can see the relationship between TR and MR, that is when price falls with the rise in output. Okay, so here as MR, you all know that when more of the output can be sold, okay, only by lowering the price, then revenue for every additional unit is that is MR will fall. Okay, marginal revenue will fall with every additional unit. Okay, from every additional unit MR will be falling. So MR is the addition to total revenue when one more unit of output is sold. Okay, so here you can see TR will increase when MR is positive. Okay, you can see in the table that TR is increasing when MR is positive, and then TR will fall. Okay, TR will fall when marginal revenue is negative. जब marginal revenue negative में आ जाता है, at that time what happen, total revenue will fall, and TR will be maximum when MR is 0. जब MR 0 में पहुंचता है तो TR जो है वो अपने maximum level पे रहता है. Okay, so with this table you can be easily understood. Okay, curve is also there. Okay, that is, see, you can see here this TR curve. Okay, TR curve is there. So TR curve rises as long as MR curve is positive. TR curve बढ़ते रहेगा जब तक कि MR curve जो है वो positive है, and it reaches at the highest point, that is point A. You can see in this figure, it reaches its highest point when MR is 0. तो जब वो सबसे टॉप लेवल पे पहुंचता है अपना, तब MR जो रहता है वो 0 में रहेगा. आप देख सकते हो नीचे इन दिस डायग्राम B. ओके, B पॉइंट जो है, देयर MR इज 0, एंड एट द सेम टाइम this it is that TR will be at its maximum point, that is at point A. Okay, and after that what happens, it starts declining. That is when marginal revenue becomes negative. Negative means देखो B के नीचे चला गया. तो when marginal revenue becomes negative, at that time TR, total revenue, after a point total revenue will starts declining. Okay, so as long as MR is positive, जब तक marginal revenue positive रहेगा, TR will increase. Okay, or when TR rises, marginal revenue is positive. In the table also, in this table you can see here, yes, that as long as marginal revenue is positive, जब तक marginal revenue positive है, total revenue बढ़ रहा है, increase हो रहा है. Okay, and when marginal revenue is zero, TR is at its maximum point. जब marginal revenue 0 में है तो total revenue 9 में है. 9 मतलब maximum point पे है, उसके बाद वो नहीं बढ़ रहा है. Okay, और we can say when total revenue is maximum, total revenue जब अपने maximum level पे होता है तो marginal revenue is 0. And after that, in third stage, when marginal revenue becomes negative, total revenue starts falling. Okay, or we can say when total revenue falls, marginal revenue is negative. Okay, so I hope it is clear till here. Yes, so this is all in this chapter, revenue. These three formulas are important for doing the practicals. Okay, so note it down the formula and practice the questions given in your book. And if you are having any doubt, children, you can ask me. Thank you so much. God bless you all.